Meng CFO of Chinese tech giant Huawei, has been detained in Canada as the United States hopes to extradite her on unspecified charges.
China has made clear its solemn position separately to Canada and the United States, requesting them to immediately clarify the reasons for detention, immediately release the detainee, and guarantee the legitimate rights and interests of the person concerned.
Meng was detained Saturday in Vancouver while changing planes. The American side has not released information on the case, but a U.S. senator says Meng allegedly violated U.S. sanctions against Iran. In a statement, China's embassy in Canada says, at the request of the U.S. side, the Canadian side arrested a Chinese citizen not violating any American or Canadian law. The Chinese side firmly opposes and strongly protests such kind of actions, which seriously harmed the human rights of the victim. And in a statement posted to Twitter, Huawei writes, the company has been provided very little information regarding the charges and is not aware of any wrongdoing by Ms. Meng. Huawei complies with all applicable laws and regulations where it operates, including applicable export control and sanction laws and regulations of the UN, US, and EU. Huawei is one of the world's largest mobile phone manufacturers and is pioneering 5G mobile products, including a phone capable of piloting a car. But the U.S. and other countries have blocked the use of Huawei products, citing security concerns. In China, some see the push against Huawei as a way to limit competition.
China's economy is becoming stronger, and I think the U.S. may be unhappy, so they did something to harm China's interest, which I guess may be related to Meng's arrest.
Meng will appear in a Canadian court Friday for a bail hearing. She requested and the court granted a publication ban, so it's not clear how much information we'll get out of that hearing. According to the extradition treaty between the two countries, the United States will have to present Canada with evidence that Meng committed a crime for extradition to move forward. Jim Spellman, CGTN, Washington.